Hi, grade two. So for today's writing assignment, you just heard a story called Why I Love the Earth. It was a example text that we want you to base your writing on today. So today, you're going to organize your thinking and do some planning. So you can think about some of the things that are important to you and choose just one topic that you want to write about. So mine today is going to be school. So now our job is to list 8 to 10 reasons why you really like that topic. So why would I really, really like school? All, maybe not in capitals, all my friends are there. Okay. I really like recess. I learn new things. I meet new people. I can do science experiments. I like Daily 5. Maybe that could be a reason. It is so much fun. I like listening to my teacher read. In activities in the innovation studio. Maybe the last activity can be our school spirit days. So maybe like crazy hair day or anything else. So for today, your job is going to be to pick a topic like I did here. It can be any topic you want. I decided to pick school. And then you're going to just come up with 8 to 10 reasons why you really like that topic. Okay, so you're going to start that today.